on the path. Uh-oh. What's that mean if he's awake all night?
He's vegan.
Oh.
Where we are, I don't know where we are, but it will be okay. I don't go to Manila.
And here we go. Who knows what country we're going to?
I forgot.
Jess, what country number is this for us?
I don't know. We're getting up to 100, but
We're getting close to 100. We should count. Wow, you guys are getting fast. Hey, Dorothy. Manila.
Okay, thank you very much.
Oh, there we go. Oh, you want to talk about that? Yeah. That is the world's biggest.
have to finish this one with a camera turnaround. We are literally in...
I think they can tell. Look at the reflection.
Oh, yeah. We're in the rainforest.
Good morning from Malaysia. So there's 3 different levels in the rainforest, and the first one is called the canopy, and the middle is called the emergent layer, and the bottom is the forest floor. Good job, Callie. Where'd you learn that, Callie? At school. I studied it.
We started this journey flying into a city called Kota Kinabalu, which is one of the bigger cities on Borneo. Met with our guide who took us to our first resort called Shangri-La Rasa Ria.
What do you call that in English?
Characters?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, look at these guys. That's awesome. Guys, when you see this place, one, get excited because this place is insane. Also, be very grateful. Okay, this place is special and they've set up some surprises for you. You ready? All right, count to 3 and then come in.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Whose name's on top, Mina?
Oh, look at this tent!
Oh, Callie's house.
No, you can't.
Already made bubbles for you.
Gotta go now.
Look, it landed on your head. Hey, this place is awesome.
Yeah.
Guys, this place.
Wait, we are on the gorge.
This is a proper family suite.
Manila, come here. What is it? Right.
How's the bathroom, Dorothy?
It's not stinky.
Oh, it's attracting! Whoa, whoa, it's going for you. Jess, it's going for you. Oh, oh for real. Whoa, Manila, come to me. Come to me. I got you. Come to me. I got you. I got you. Do not run to mom. She will abandon you. Really? They came out. And we run. Look, mom's running. Get that. Go. Oh, you got it. He's the champion.
Good job, Callie.
Good job, Callie.
In the jungle of mighty jungle, the lion.
Do you know what that is, Dorothy?
Well, Manila.
Thank you.
This one is a special one for you. It's an orangutan.
Oh!
So you can actually put it behind your neck. What do you say, Bob?
Callie, go give it a hug.
So you will see it when you go to Sandakan.
Oh, big jelly. Guys, I think today's gonna be epic. We're already seeing this cool stuff. Oh, welcome aboard. Big smile. Okay. Dorothy's first dive into Malaysia.
3, 2, 1.
That was good. Oh. Okay. Okay, Callie, you going from the big kid spot?
Sure.
All right, Callie, in 3, 2, 1. Little glimpse into my world. When you're editing underwater footage, you can tweak it quite a bit to look more blue, green, whatever. I'm going to do my best to just keep this water the unique green that it was, because I've never seen it anywhere else like this. One of my favorite parts was when we saw squid. Dorothy, you show Callie how to hold your mask?
Yep.
All right, Callie, what did she do?
Look at that.
Yeah. Whoa. For whatever reason, the kids are obsessed with squid, and yet we had never seen them. This was our first experience being with squid, and the kids were so excited. Bida, do you know what that is? It's ink for the squid. It's squid ink.
How did you do this? Ready?
Bida, your first time swimming with squid. 2, 1. Dorothy, holy cow.
I didn't think I would make that far.
Are you okay?
Yeah?
What was panicky?
I was like, go get this, go get her, go get her.
Why would you not go get her? Don't fall, don't hit the boat. You fall. Okay, push away from the boat a little bit.
Yes. Wait, bow to your sensei, that's me. Now bow to your partner. Now begin.
Whoa! Someone's been watching ninja movies. Vanilla wins.
Okay.
Vanilla wins.
Next round.
Next round. Bow to your partner. Begin.
Minna, do not hurt this child. Oh, Callie! Oh, jeez. All right, championship. Wow.
Get her, Callie.
Get her, Callie. Oh. Callie might sneak attack this. Oh, jeez.
1, 2, 3.
Callie won! Are you ready?
Uh-huh. Whoa! You should do birthday parties.
Okay, we're gonna have a Johnson, baby oil.
Raise your eyebrows, guys.
Okay? Hey. Okay, ready? 3, 2.
Next up, we boarded a plane and headed to a place called Sandakan. where we were.
Pause. What happened on that flight?
Aw, Callie lost his first tooth. He actually thinks that he lost his first tooth like 3 years ago in Africa.
He did. You did, Callie. You want me to pull out your tooth? Which one? Yeah? Yeah, I'll pull it out. Here we go. You get it? Yeah. Right now, just hold it for a second. You cut it. Wow. You want to do it? Okay, you ready? Got it. Is it in there? Wow. Wow. Nice job. Good job. This is, Callie lost his second tooth here in Malaysia because he lost his first tooth in Africa. So here Callie was losing his second tooth. You want to do it right now?
Yeah.
All right, show us which tooth. I'll make sure you're ready first. I'll say, you ready? And you go, yes. And then I go for it. Okay? It'll hurt for a little bit. It'll be like, and then it'll stop hurting. And then it'll bleed and we'll put this one on it. And then it'll stop bleeding. Ready? You push my fingers out with your tongue. Did it start to hurt? Keep pushing me out with your tongue. As soon as I got you. You want me to do it? Okay, you can't push me out then. Okay? Oh, it's that one, huh? Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Got it.
You did it! Callie, you did it! Good job,
Right.
Dad.
Don't lose it, okay? You need that for the tooth fairy, so you hold on to that tight.
Dorothy.
There it is.
That's funny.
Our last kid's first tooth. You know, it's just, you and I are both really going into a sad place with some of these milestones.
We're in the pocket of life, and we are being pulled out of it, and we're holding on as tight as we can. We're gonna make it last as long as possible.
But Callie was so brave. Garrett pulled it out and he was stoked, and the tooth fairy actually brought him Malaysian money.
Here we go.
So little.
I know, it's so little. Do you know where that goes?
Under my pillow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a lot.
Wow, honey.
Score.
50 Malaysian ringgits. What?
Oh, must be a lot because it's your first tooth ever. I mean, second tooth.
We're excited to partner again for this Malaysia video with Olafly. Olafly is an eSIM provider that offers data plans all over the world. Basically, not all phone carriers have good international plans, and an eSIM is a much more affordable and convenient way to stay connected while you're traveling. You can find the Olafly app in the App Store, or you can find it on their website. Search the country that you're traveling to, for us, Malaysia. Choose how many days you'll be traveling and the number of travelers. I'm gonna get one for me and one for Garrett's phone so we can both stay connected. Once you've completed the transaction, there will be a QR code, so as soon as you arrive into the country, you can click on it and you'll be connected. The best part is that Olafly's daily rates have unlimited data and no hidden costs. There's also 24/7 customer support available to you. So if you have any international travels coming up, make sure you check out Olafly. They have data plans in over 200 destinations across the globe. And make sure you use the promo code TheBucketListFamily for an added discount, and you'll be sure to stay connected wherever you go. Safe travels.
Do you want to keep sneezing, or do you want to go see flying squirrels today? Flying squirrels. Sneezing, or do you want to see flying squirrels? Flying squirrels?
You said at night the tarantulas and scorpions come out of these holes.
No way.
should look later as we go.
Or we should not. Whoa, what's that? Oh my, Jurassic Park. Is that an animal?
Yeah.
What? I thought that was like an actual alarm going off. Guys, there's like a 10% chance.
There's like a line. Wait, what's that? It's like a little black thing too.
There's a pretty good chance we see a dinosaur today. Jess, did you hear that alarm go off? Is that what that is?
Yeah. He said these trees can be 1,000 years old.
When it starts to get dark, then we should come here because
Okay.
the squirrel
What? This is your next two?
they start come out. All the nocturnal squirrels, they are
You can already see the next tooth?
gliding.
Oh, I've spotted 3 baby orangutans. You guys. Oh, I see a big guy. That's my hope for the trip. I don't want to jinx it, but that is my hope for the trip. It's a long ways down, guys. I'm so impressed by how well they designed this or built this to like
There's bugs.
fit into the rainforest and not distract from the experience. Whoa. Get past it, Callie, run.
That tree?
Yeah.
Right there.
Oh, there he is. My highlight of that night, and honestly, maybe all of Borneo, of Sabah, flying squirrels.
They're real people.
Wakey.
Callie, he's awake all night. What's that mean if he's awake all night?
Vegan. Dingo? No, that's
What's it mean, Manila?
nocturnal.
Yeah, Manila gets the points.
But he said he's awake at daytime.
He's gonna crawl out first, so he need to wait for the darkness. They can glide up to 100 meters, and on the very last minute they can change direction.
So it could jump right here.
Straight also can.
So what way do you think this guy will go?
It's really
Hard to guess.
hard to guess.
You seeing this guy? He's poking his head out a bunch. Well, there's 2. Yeah, I'm crossing. You keep watching it. It's about to fly. I don't know. The one climbed up too high. I can't see it anymore. Oh! Wow!
I didn't see a fly.
That's cool.
I didn't see a fly.
Okay, one sec. See this one right here? Do you see it, Kai? On the side of the tree? You see my camera? Oh my gosh, these are cool. Okay, watch, Callie. Keep watching it. Oh, it's going too high for me.
Oh wow, he glide.
Wow. It was like Batman.
That was like Batman. That was like Batman. These are cool. Oh, he's hopping.
Come on.
You saw him, Minna? There it is.
Whoa! 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 I did not know it could go like that.
Yeah.
Insane. It looked like a basketball.
Yeah. Wow. Good patience, guys.
Flying squirrels! It might be my new favorite animal.
Also, it was just kind of like a ding, it's flying squirrel time, because right as the sun's going down, like right when it peaks, all of a sudden they come out of their little boxes, out of their holes in the trees, and then they're just...
But then Manila's like, I wonder if you could make a suit or something that would allow you to fly like that. And we're like, good news, buddy.
What if they made a suit like a squirrel suit where when you jump, like the wings would spread out, then you would fly?
Buddy, do I have a surprise to show you?
Sleeping bird, tarantula, scorpion.
Tarantula what? Do we have like a rifle or a sword if we see a tarantula?
Dad's scared of spiders. Whoa!
Insect.
Dad, you should,
And
Dad, you should come look at this.
I see it.
They will break the it's a false scorpion. They just look like they have pinches.
That's me and Manoa.
Is it lame if we talk about how big of a deal it was to our kids when they got to make cotton candy?
We go to this restaurant and they're asking us if we want dessert, and they're like, oh, actually, if they want to make some cotton candy.
If you knew how much that meant to our children.
Ask Dorothy her favorite kind of candy. It's cotton candy.
Faster, go in a circle, Minna. Good, Minna.
Dorothy, you want to try? Yeah.
Wow. Dorothy,
Alright.
make yours more beautiful than Manila's. It'll kind of break my heart if at the end of the summer we ask our kids their favorite part of the whole summer and they mention that moment.
It might be.
It might be. Oh, that's okay. You know, stick your stick back in. Get some more.
Take all of it.
Callie, can I try a bite, please? Thank you. wait. Sorry. The proboscis monkey.
You guys.
Can I talk about them? Yeah, can I talk about them? So the proboscis monkeys, they're the guys in Sing too, where they're like, tippy toes, I don't see you, tippy toes.
And 1, 2, 3, 4. Tippy toes. I don't see your tippy toes.
I don't see your tippy toes.
Tippy toes, tippy toes.
Here.
Oh, can I see?
Oh, it's here.
That's not real.
Tippy toes.
That's like a
I
made
don't see your tippy toes.
You guys, just for 2 seconds, look at this. Look at this guy. What the heck is that?
Does it look real? Does it look like an alien? Or does it look like a very
It looks like a
grumpy,
cartoon character.
out of shape old man?
It does.
And then, but, okay, first impression kind of looks like a nosy, grumpy old man. Once you get to know them and see the way they behave, you'll realize they're a grumpy old man. That is exactly
just
how they
with a
behave.
big old belly, and they just like,
Just barking at everyone who takes their food.
oh my goodness, what a crazy creature.
Just grumpy.
Are they fighting?
Yeah, they're just chasing after the little ones.
Oh, easy, Buckham.
Oh, there's the baby on the belly. Mm. And if you get lucky, very lucky, here in Borneo, you just might see
An orangutan.
on this